You run a plumbing business. You've got plumbers, trucks, tools, and customers. You're probably pretty good at fixing leaks, but what about managing your business? Scheduling appointments, tracking inventory, handling payments. It's a headache, right? That's where ServiceTitan comes in. But how does this software company actually make money? Let's dive in. Imagine you're a contractor. You've got plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, the whole shebang. Managing all those guys, their schedules, your inventory, and your customers is like herding cats. Now imagine a software that promises to tame that chaos. That's ServiceTitan. But how does it turn this headache into cold, hard cash? The core business of ServiceTitan is simple. They charge a subscription fee. It's like Netflix for contractors. The more features you want, the more you pay. It's a SaaS model, software as a service. So, every month, those plumbers, electricians, and HVAC techs are contributing to ServiceTitan's bottom line. But it's not just about the monthly subscription. ServiceTitan has a knack for finding extra revenue streams. One way is through financing. Let's say your AC is on its last legs. You need a new one, but it's a big-ticket item. ServiceTitan can partner with financial institutions to offer you financing options. And guess what? They get a cut of that interest. Another revenue stream is hardware and software integrations. Need new tools for your team? ServiceTitan can offer deals on equipment. Need accounting software? They can integrate with QuickBooks and take a commission. It's like a one-stop shop for contractors, and ServiceTitan is the middleman making money on every transaction. Then there's the data. ServiceTitan collects a ton of data on how contractors operate. This data is gold. They can analyze it to find trends, identify inefficiencies, and develop new products or services. They can even sell this data to market research firms or other interested parties. But wait, there's more. ServiceTitan has been on an acquisition spree. They've bought up smaller software companies that complement their platform. This gives them access to new customers, new technology, and potentially new revenue streams. So, to recap, ServiceTitan makes money through subscription fees, financing, hardware and software integrations, data, and acquisitions. It's a multi-pronged approach that has helped them become a major player in the home services industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.